Hello, it's a pleasure for me to make this video today to share my experience with the potential new student of Forex for beginners. My name is Vogli Desire, and I want to thank you so much, Mr. Saradali, for sharing your knowledge for free with us. I was very doubtful when I started this class. I say, for free? Is there something free in this world? Well, I was wrong. I go lesson after lesson after lesson until the end, there was no catch to it. Everything was for free. We learned so much. How to set a support and resistance, the trend line, channel, exponential moving average, mindset, risk management, candlestick analysis, how to read and analyze price chart on TradingView. And on top of that, we have a private student group. It's unbelievable. We send our homework, and the teachers correct the homework and give us feedback on our mistakes so I can correct them and move forward. I could have a longer video to tell you how much I learned from this class. It's unbelievable. And now I can say that I have something to fall back. It's become my hobby to make money through Forex. And thank you so much, Mr. Ali, for creating this group, Forex for Beginners. Now I can say my retirement is set. I have something to go do after my retirement to make money. Let it ring. Ching, 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 ching. Thank you.